Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here is the Redmi K60 Ultra Edition, Ultimate Edition. And yes, so this is also a new product and also the upgraded K60 series model from Redmi, and this time we have the shadow green color. It's have a 16GB RAM plus 1TB GB ROM, so it's 1024. So this is a very cost-effective product in the market, and also we can find the RTB 1TB RAM and ROM is very big, so this is a very big advantage of these products. And also for the Redmi products, they also always provide the very affordable and cost-effective product in the market. So next, okay, I'm going to unbox it and let's check what this phone looks like compared to the last generation, and also we will also talk about the specification about these products. Okay, so next I'm going to unbox it. Okay, after we remove cover, there's another box here, powered by Redmi. Okay, let me check what's inside this box. SIM card ejector. And here is the user menu in the basic introduction, battery information, warranty card. And here they provide transparent plastic case as normal, nothing special. So this is all stuff inside this box. Let's put it aside. Okay, next under this box, smartphone is just in front of us. Okay, the green color is so nice. But before we check smartphone, first we will go to the accessories first. And here, okay, it's the cable. So okay, this time they also provide a Type-C to USB cable here. Type-C to USB cable. Okay, so this is a cable, and then charge. This is the GAN charge, designed by Xiaomi. Yes. And this time, about the charger, to provide a 120-watt super fast charging with 5000 big batteries. So after 1000 recycle capacity can still keep beyond 80%. So this is a very good for keep your battery life long, extend your battery life. And because this time they also use the Xiaomi own developed Pampai chips to manage the battery system. Okay, so this is all the stuff inside the box. Next, let's go to today's main actor, Xiaomi Redmi K60 Ultimate or Ultra Edition, the shadow green color. Okay, so these have a shining glass, and we can see the shadow in the mirror glass. And these have a curved design back panel, and the green color is not so dark, it's a bit light. And compared to the last generation, this is a difference. And also about the camera zone, they make some difference compared to the last generation. Here there's a okay, we can check from this angle. Yes, make a special cut, not so straight, but the regularly is very similar to the K60, but just extend it with the cutting lines to extend it. So this is a difference. And dual camera system, they also use a dual camera system. Sorry, here they hide another, I think, assistant camera, triple camera system, LED color, 15 megapixel main camera. It's used the Sony IMX 800. This is a framework. It's use the same color like the back panel green, but we can also find the difference between these two parts, because this use the not shining, use the matte sand polish material, but fitting, but the material is not, I think it's not metal, it's kind of special material, plastic, I think. Yes. Yes. And also this time for the dimensions about this product is length 162 and width 75.7 and thickness is 8.49 mm and total weight 204 grams, so not so heavy, and the size is friendly for one hand using. And when we go to the front to wake up the screen, we can find here use the dot punch hole camera, and this the front one is 20 megapixel IMX 596, and this time for screen use the 6.67 inch 1.5K display resolution, 2712 1220 by 1220 display resolution screen, and the PPI reached to 446. It's a Pole LED straight, not curved screen. It supports P3 color range, and the PMW brightness adjustment reached to 2880 Hz, 144 Hz refresh rate, and touching rate is 480. We go to the settings. Okay, we can adjust the brightness. We also go to the settings to check the display. Brightness level, refresh rate, customize 144. Yes, and the peak brightness 2600 for screen. So this is very nice and decent screen to provide. And this screen is also used in Xiaomi 13 Ultra and use the C7 display materials, so this is also nice and very high-end screen. And next we can go to the settings to check more information about this device. Okay, here details. Here is the okay. We go to settings, we can find the MIUI 14, and it's based on Android. Also Android 13, 14, Android 13. Device name, storage. Here, Android 13, yes. CPU, they use the Dimensity 9200 Plus, and also for the GPU they work with Pixelworks to provide the independent X7 GPU. This is very nice GPU they use. And last week they just before they released this product, they just have a release conference for the technology they use on this smartphone, the Redmi, Pixelworks, MediaTek. They also talk about their new technology and what is used in this product. Yeah, so this is the octa-core processor, max band support to 3.35 GHz, and RAM and ROM information, and it support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0, 24 GHz plus 1 TB. Yes, more information here. Okay, there they don't show the battery information, but for the battery, as I mentioned, they use the 5000 big batteries with 120 watt super fast charging, and they also use the Pengpai G1 battery chips to to provide fast and efficient charging experience for these products. And also about the camera, we can also check the camera here. And we will take some samples and I put it at the end of the video. Yes, for the camera, this time they have a triple camera system. The main one is 50 megapixel IMX800, 2.0 U pixels OIS supported for 7K lens. Wide angle is 8 megapixel IMX355 and macro lens 202 megapixel GC02M1. The front 2 megapixel IMX556. Okay, yes. So sample test about it. So this is now the wide angle 2 times. Yeah, 10 times zoom. Front. Okay. Yes, I'll put it at the end of the video and also support more camera mode here. Short film, panorama, time lapse, and also the 50 megapixel, and also night vision more. Here, yes, macro lens, HDR test. Okay, yeah, so this is very quick and very simple unboxing video about this device from Redmi K60 Ultra Edition. Yes. So, okay, thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.